In a circle of diameter 40 centimeters, the length of a chord is 20 centimeters. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. So as always, let's look at this circle. It says the diameter is 40 centimeters, which means this radius has to be 20 centimeters. This is also 20 centimeters because they're both radius. And then it says the length of a chord is 20 centimeter, which means this full length, the red line, that's 20 centimeters. If you draw a line from the center to the circumference that bisects this chord into two equal parts, then what do we have? We have this length, that's 10 centimeters, right? And we also have this, that's also 10 centimeters. So essentially you have this circle where you know two sides. So from trigonometric property we can actually find out this angle, right? And they're asking us to find the length of the minor arc, which means we need to find this distance. Okay, so let's solve. First let's draw this triangle. So that is centered at O. This is the half chord, and then this is that radius, which is 20 centimeters. So this is 20 centimeters and this is 10 centimeters, and we can find this angle out, right? So what is this? This is sine theta. So if this angle is theta, then sine theta is equal to what? So that would be equal to 10 centimeters divided by 20 centimeters, which is equal to half, right? Or we could also say that theta is equal to, or sine theta is equal to half, and we know if this is true, then theta is equal to 30 degrees, right? So we know this angle is 30. We also know that both of these are equal because that's how we have drawn this line, which means the angle subtended by the chord is, or let me write down, angle subtended, that is equal to 30 degrees plus 30 degrees, which is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Now since we know that this chord since we know that this chord subtends an angle of 60 degrees, which is some parts of the total 360 degrees, we can find out what the length of this arc is, because that would also be same part of the whole circumference, right? Let me just write down what I mean. So 60 degrees is how many parts of 360s? So 60 degrees is equal to 1/6 of 360 degrees, right? Why 360 degrees? Because that's the total angle subtended around the center. So it's 1/6 of the total, which means even this arc would also be 1/6 of the total circumference. So now arc length is equal to 1/6 of the circumference. Now what is the length of the circumference? Well, we know the radius, so that's just 2 times pi times radius is 20 centimeters. So that would give us 1/6 of 2 times 22/7 times 20 centimeters, which is approximately equal to 20.95 centimeters. You could also say this is about 21 centimeters.